As you progress in the development of your database using version migrations, you may want to revert a migration that you just applied. So I'm going to show you how you can do that with Atlas. So to start, let's see where my database is currently at by running atlas migrate status. And as you can see, I have one executed file, so that's my baseline file. And I have two pending files. So these are the two migrations that I've made. One is creating a table and one is altering those tables that I have. So let's apply these migrations to my database by running atlas migrate apply. So now I have those two migrations. They've been applied to my database. But now I want to revert the most recent one that I have applied, the one that alters the two tables. So I can do this by running atlas migrate down. If I wanted to just do the most recent one, it will default to one migration file. But if I wanted to, let's say, revert both of the migration files that I had just applied, I would do atlas migrate down 2. So you can do this for however many of the most recent migrations you want to revert. I'm just going to do 1, so I will get rid of that number. And now you can see that Atlas has first checked to make sure that there aren't any constraints or data loss that can happen from reverting this migration. And it then automatically creates the statements to revert the statements that were applied, and then it automatically applies them. So now that I've reverted this migration, let's say I want to now just get rid of this file altogether. I want to get rid of this migration. So first, what I'm going to do is grab the ID number, so that number that's at the beginning of the migration file name, and I'm going to run atlas migrate rm with that number. So now that's removed this file, and let's see where my database is at now. So I'm going to run atlas migrate status again, and I have 2 executed files because I had dropped 1, and I have no pending files because I then removed that file. So that is how you down migrate using Atlas.